Alright guys, so this video is going to be super quick. Now, I wanted to make this video because these results are really just crazy, right? I told you it was going to be, 28 solar leads in California for 69 cents a piece, and I'm going to show you that. But this is just my Facebook story because it's easier to show you on here. So if I'm going to pause this right here, you can see that I'm using the whole coronavirus thing for lead generation. And this was really just something that some guy wanted to do, and he kind of threw the idea at me, and I didn't really want to do it because I thought maybe it might be a bad idea, and then I didn't know if it was going to work. But check this out. So I know 21 leads for 75 cents. It's not, the other one, but we're getting to that. But check this out. Not only did they put in their information, but they set their own appointment. So dude has like, what, 3, 4, 5 appointments so far, and we're still trying to figure out what's going to happen later on. So I'm curious to see how this is going to turn out. This guy has 7 representatives who sell virtually. So what they're going to do is the first call is going to be the welcome call. They'll gather all the information, set another appointment to come back and sell. So here's what I was talking about. 28 leads for 69 cents a piece. That's crazy. So I've honestly never did anything like this, and I just thought it was pretty amazing. I just wanted to show it. And the reason why I showed the appointments is because I got a comment on one of my posts. They're just like, oh, what about the quality? Well, if people will set their own appointment for a solar quote, I think that it's going to be pretty good, because what do salespeople need but someone to talk to about their product so that they can close more deals and make more sales. So that's really all I wanted to show you. Is this campaign is pretty amazing, and this is the only time you'll probably ever see me let you see what the ad picture looks like. But that's the ad picture, and I know I named it something a little silly, a solar Corona twist. Somebody told me it sounds like an alcoholic drink they buy at a bar. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you're struggling out there to get some solar leads, you can contact me. All my information will be in the description box below. Hope you guys are having a great Saturday. I'll talk to you later.